Welcome back, guys. Another edition of Ashley Outdoors. Back at the island. Haven't been out here in a while, probably about 2 months. Trying to get this place to rest because everybody was out here fishing, like pounding this place up. So I'm going to get out here, see what's good out here today. Hopefully some fish left over from me because everybody's been fishing here. I had to like kind of stop fishing here for a while because I was seeing everybody pounding this spot. So I'm gonna try to fish it today. Hopefully I can get some good fish out of here. I'm gonna run some Topwater today. I think I got the front water camera. I made a front camera going today. So hopefully I can get them blow ups in real close range for you guys. So let's get in the water, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start off with a frog. It's a pad crasher. So I'm gonna start off with that first. See if I can get to one for pad crasher. Hopefully I can get a blow up on scene for y'all guys. Like I said, it's a lot of weeds up here. It's like I never seen this patch right here. But I'll get into this pad crasher and see if I can get one. Let's see what this Spidey do. Different from the Spidey than the frog. It's usually my net rig rod, but I'm running double. Fish. Yeah. Nice one too, guys. Oh, he got off. Broke me off in them pads. That was a nice bass. It broke me off right in those pads. I didn't get a chance to get a good set on them. Broke me off right in those pads. There you go. Sometimes these little bluegill just popping it too. There's a lot of big fish up in here that likes to look at this spider. Just some of them just like to look at it and see what it is and peck at it. There's a fish that's right in front there. Got him. That's a nice one. Come on, buddy. He grabbed that right. He grabbed that right there. Nice fish, guys. Not too big, but one off the spider. Alright, guys, first one off the Spidey. Hit right on the tip of the mouth. Barely hooked. Nice green bass. There it goes. Alright, that's our first one. Alright, this guy came over for you. I see him come over for that. I see him come over for that. Nice one on the frog. I see him come over for that one. I see him coming over for that one. Nice fish there, guys. seen him blow that too. Oh, he choked that frog. Oh, this is a nice one, guys. Oh, this is a nice one here. Come here. Try to spit that frog. You ain't going nowhere. No, he blew that right in there. Sorry, guys, I ain't get that on record, but I mean, he ate that frog. This is where I want to see it, down deep right there. Nice fish. He blew it right over there. Well, I know these guys hide on the beds. And I just moved up a little bit. He was just right there the whole time. Nice fish, man. He ate that frog. I mean, he's down there deep. Good hook set on it. Everything. Hell, he wasn't going nowhere. You weren't going nowhere, buddy. Yeah, you weren't going nowhere. It's a nice fish, guys. Let's put this guy on a measuring board. Let's see what we got here. Probably not 14 or 15 inches. Relax, buddy, relax. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let this guy go back. It's 15 inches. There he goes. See if I can get another one off this frog, man. That was a good hit. He popped that right in that corner right there. That was a good catch. So they are eating this frog. Just kind of slower than usual, but you know what? That's all we can sometimes ask for. You know? Oh, man. It's good. Got him. Oh, he got off, guys. Oh, that was a nice one. Let's see if he come back for it. I thought he was hooked. Oh, that was a nice one. He blew that real good, guys. I knew it was another one over there. It's actually a ton of fish back over there. I might be able to throw a jig over there. All right, guys, so I'm back in the kayak. I'm gonna throw this frog a little bit. I got a Chopo 75, Waffle Popper 75 on that I've been catching a lot of fish on. All my battery just died. I was kind of doing a little short fishing here. Oh my God. He blew that as soon as it hit the water. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was first cast. This is where big bass be at. They hide down here. That's what we want. It's a little guy, but that's what we want. We want him to eat the frog just like that. I mean, he just T-boned that. These are fish, you know, that I need here. Well, I don't need, but that's what I meant to say. These are fish I don't need, but you know what? They are eating this frog. You can't ask for nothing better than that. Especially when they're eating it just like that. I mean, down deep. I got this guy like towards his eye here. He definitely don't like that. Relax. Yeah. He hooked pretty good. He wasn't going nowhere. There he goes. He wasn't going nowhere, little guy. Get up out of here. Nice one, guys. Nice one, guys. Off the frog. Toad on the frog. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You see that? He blew that real good. Gone. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Boom. Yes, sir. All right, guys. I got my picture. So let's get this guy unhooked. See what he weighs, how many measures. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. He blew that real good. He wasn't going nowhere. He blew that real good. Real good. Let's see how big this guy is. Get a good measurement on. 16 on the dot. Okay. Guys, let's get him. Oh man, I ain't got no service. This sucks. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this guy go. He about 2.5 pounds. He about 3 actually. 16 inches, so that was a nice one. That was a nice one there. Alright guys, see if we can get another one off this frog. Before we get out of here, man, that was a good one. I needed that fish. Might find some bigger fish back here. Man. I can't even use my pedal drive because there's so many weeds up through here. But you know what? This is where all these bass are hiding there. They're hiding all these weeds. And anything they see come across this water, they are going to kill it. So let's see if we can get... let's see if we can get another one up in here. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys seen that? He completely missed that. Oh my God. Let's see if he gets that. Oh my God. Oh, that was a toad. That was a toad, guys. All right, guys. So I'm gonna throw the plopper for a little bit in this area where I was catching a whole bunch of them from shore, and I wasn't recording because my battery was dead. I'm sure I should get cracked up in here somewhere. Buddy came and grabbed it. A Chapo 90 or 75. Pull this guy up because you definitely don't want to get hooked with a rubber plopper finger. He creamed it. Creamed it right here. Right, actually where I'm up under it right now. Nice bass there. The plopper, man. I mean, they crushing it. Crushing it. I'm just gonna save my battery life if I do catch a toad, but I'm at 2% right now. This thing is got something that's attacking me. Crush that plopper. Nice little guy. I'm like fully getting attacked by one little fly, and it's irritating because he's biting me. It's not a mosquito, but I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a bowfin. It's a bowfin. Yep. Bowfin. Let me let this guy, because I ain't never caught one of these in a while. It's a little guy, not too big, but feisty guy too. First bowfin of the year. I can't release you, buddy, if you keep your closing your mouth. And he got teeth from hell too. Relax, buddy. You're just hooking yourself more. Alright, guys. I'm about to ready to get out of here. It's going to be my last few casts before I even get out of here. Just want to see if I can get another one off this plopper here. I think the bowfin might be the last fish of the day.